Check out this pocket drone here from Ruko. This thing is everything you need in a drone because it all comes together right here in this bag. But you also have the controller that has the built-in screen. This makes a huge difference when you're flying your drone because instead of having to fumble around with your phone, you just have this thing ready to go and it works great. Nice and bright screen. So if you're in the middle of the day, you can still see this thing really easily. Having the screen built into the controller, it makes such a difference in your want to fly. Because a lot of times when you're using your phone, you get calls, there's just hassle. This is just a world of difference. Very sharp looking screen as well. You can see a lot of details when you are flying. It comes with a little toolbox of accessories, and it comes with an extra battery for flying, giving you double the flight time. And here is the drone itself. So the legs open up, making it nice and compact. And then you have your little camera cover here, and it sits on a 3-axis gimbal, so it keeps it nice and solid. So we put the battery on there and we can power this thing on. Got some nice little sound effects here. It does have sensors on the bottom. Just look at that 3-axis gimbal there. And just have a look at the quality of the footage. You can get 4K at 30 frames per second. And it's just as simple as that. It looks great, easy to fly, very fun. So if you press this button right here, you can see you also have GPS follow modes, image follow. So you can actually track certain people, even a point of interest, so it circles around it. You can create routes. You have your lens angles, zooms, quick gestures. You can turn that on, or quick record. You also can switch it from landscape to vertical, just like that. And you can also add filters, and you can also update the home location. You can also put on an alarm too if you're having trouble finding it. You have your home button so that if it gets lost or you don't know where it is, you can hit the home button and it'll come back right to that spot that it launched from. You can quickly take photos and video, and you can adjust your camera angles with these dials here. You can go a maximum flight distance of 3,048 meters, which is very far. And also easy to take with you anywhere thanks to this case and the fact that it's so small. So highly recommend it, especially for your first drone, and thanks for watching.